Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your customer loyalty with Smile.io, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your customer loyalty using Smile.io, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Smile.io homepage and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your business information, including your store name and email address. Choose your e-commerce platform to integrate Smile.io with your existing system. Once registered, navigate to your dashboard to customize your loyalty program. Select the type of loyalty program you want to implement, such as points, referrals, or VIP tiers. Customize the program's branding to align with your business's identity. Set the rules for earning points, such as points per purchase or bonus points for social actions. Decide how customers can redeem their points for rewards. Create attractive rewards that resonate with your customers. Use the rewards section to add various types of incentives like discounts and exclusive access. Configure the referral program by determining how many points customers will earn for referring friends. Adjust the settings for the VIP tier if you plan to implement one, setting thresholds for eligibility. Once all configurations are set, preview your loyalty program to ensure it meets your expectations. After finalizing the setup, launch the program on your website. Promote your new loyalty program via social media, emails, and website banners to reach your audience. Monitor program performance through the analytics provided on your dashboard. Collect customer feedback regularly to identify areas for improvement. Continuously update and refresh your rewards to keep customers engaged in coming back. Stay connected with your customers through personalized communication to enhance their loyalty experience. Leverage automation tools within Smile.io to streamline customer interactions and program management. Regularly assess the impact of your loyalty program on customer retention and sales. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize the program for better results. With ongoing attention and adjustments, your customer loyalty is bound to grow with Smile.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.